Beata, we are not listening to music, we just listen to the sound or the silence of our latest generation of electric compressor. What is the technology behind? Can you explain that?
It's an entirely new approach in compression of the air to commercial vehicles. It's scroll technology. So we leverage orbiting scrolls to produce air in much quieter and less vibrating way. Finally, it means more comfort for driver, for passengers, for the entire environment around. What more, scroll technology allow also for oil lubrication elimination. So basically the compressor does not require frequent oil exchange, and that is something what is resulting in reduction of the in significant reduction of the maintenance cost.